Hi parents and my K1 children, teacher Joja here. Today we will be making a word family card. It is a very simple and easy to make activity that you can complete quickly at home with some basic materials. So the objective of this activity is to blend onset and rhymes using letter sound knowledge to read some simple words, and most importantly also to be engaged and have fun while doing so. So let's begin. So all the materials you will need are 2 paper cups, 1 black marker and some colorful markers to decorate your word family cup. First, you will need to cut out this portion from one of the paper cup. When you are done cutting, choose a rhyme and write it outside of the hole over here. This cup on top of the other paper cup, and you may begin to write the beginning letters. I've cut a higher hole over here so that I can have more space to draw the respective pictures. So this is the completed word family cup, and this hole is the onset, and over here is the rhyme. You can now start to blend the letters together. Red. Proceed on to blend other words. Fat. There are also many other words that you can try to blend together. You may also fill in some colors using the markers to make it more vibrant. If you wish, you could also decorate the exterior of the cup to make it even more interesting. So here you go, our word family paper cup is now completed. If you don't have paper cup at home, I will be showing you some other examples of how you can do this activity. Here is the list of rhymes you can try reading out by blending the letter sounds. I will be attaching this as a picture so that you can zoom in to read. However, we will mainly be focusing on these 5 rhymes for now. AT at, AP app, OT ot, IT eat, and ET at. Do note that AT and ET produces the same sound at because the letter sound for A and E are the same. These 2 rhymes are also used for different words. So that's all for this activity. I hope you have learned more about blending onset and rhymes, and will spend more quality and fun time making this word family card together at home. Thanks for watching, and bye bye!